question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you, I can't stand. And I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Cassie. Welcome back to my channel. And of course, as you can tell by the title of this video, we're just having a little weekend vlog. I'm not really sure, honestly. I feel like this is my issue. I be starting so many vlogs not knowing what I'm doing, but I just be vlogging. You get it? So like today I know what I'm doing, but for the rest of the weekend I have no idea. I'm just vlogging. So we're gonna figure it out all together, okay? I'm in the need of a new phone. My phone is done. It's like fully done. Like look at this. Like she barely comes on. Like look. See? Y'all see the green lines? She barely comes on, and this is done with. I really need a new phone. She would come on like after a few minutes, but right now she's just not coming on. She's acting out. So I told myself like I'm getting a new phone. But also the reason why I really procrastinated on this is because every time I would go to get a phone, and I'm like, I really want the pink iPhone if I'm getting the iPhone 16, you know? So every time I would go, they would always say, oh, we don't have it today, we don't have it today. I don't know why they never had that one. So I always like kept coming back or going different places. And it was always like the same excuse. And I didn't want to order a phone. I don't know. I feel like I could order things. I could order everything, but I'd just rather not order a phone. I don't know. I know some people like it. Me, no. Like, I want to get the phone physically, see it, whatever, open it in front of me. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yesterday, literally yesterday evening, we could say, like, it was like 4:50 something. They were closing at 5. I went to get a new phone. They had the pink phone. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm coming back tomorrow morning because y'all are closing now. And you know, like, you gotta stay there for long, and I know the person, like, their shift was done, so I'm just like, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Plus I wanted to film it too, you know. So yes, y'all, it was also my friend's Debbie's birthday, so we're supposed to go out to eat, I think. Yeah, I don't know if we're going out to eat or whatsoever, but we're doing that later. And that's pretty much it for today. For the rest days, we'll see, like Saturday and Sunday, and yeah, we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna just see y'all like when we're getting the phone, y'all. So I'm waiting to get my phone. There's one person in front of me, so we're waiting, and the phone is like right there. I wanted to touch it, but I don't want to think I'm gonna steal it or whatsoever, so we're gonna leave it and just patient, because I'm really ready to get rid of this phone. This one is done. It just needs to go. So yeah,
I'm handsome. If you take from my face, that's your point. Thank you.
yeah.
Another copy. That's nice camera. Where did you get that?
Y'all, so I'm in the car and I got my phone. Look, y'all, she is so pretty. She is pink, duh. And yeah, I just love it. Like, she is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. I'm so happy, y'all. I finally got a phone. I actually didn't set up the new phone yet. Like, it's literally like still like this, but I put the new SIM because they had canceled my old SIM, so I put the new SIM in the old one for now. Only for now, like just until like I get home tonight and settle down and could fully do the whole transfer whatsoever. Because I don't know, it just takes time to like try do it. Do it really take time? So right now I just came to my friend's Debbie's house. I got some fruits and all. The girls got like lasagna, whatever. We're just gonna cook and like have a like little kickback evening for now, just a little chill. And yeah, so the fruits are in the back. I'm gonna put them in a bag and just go upstairs. So I'm gonna see y'all like when I'm by her house. Hold you. This is good. That's good. All right, so period. So we in the kitchen cooking with your auntie. Cooking with your auntie. Cooking with your auntie. Cooking. Purr. Yum 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 yum. Get into it or get lost. We made a fruit bowl. Fruit bowl is here. We also added watermelon, but we're gonna display it nicely.
We're not even bowling the
Lasagna?
Yeah. You're just like recording on top of it. That's what I'm saying. Like we should have put it in here. Like, in here.
It's giving Kendall.
Right. Oh, okay, wait, I'm
Debbie, where you got these knives from?
Walmart.
They're so good. I need to stop going to Dollarama for everything.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! sure, yeah. We have to wash. Alright, Chef Debbie, what are you doing? Making wood acceptable. Okay, Chef Cassie, doing a great job. Keep doing a great job.
Thank you. I'm just gonna cut them bigger and bigger. The food is ready. So the chicken, lasagna. Yum, 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 yum. We got salad and we got watermelon and fruits. Of course, dessert. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so I'm not going to lie. I actually have not touched my camera for like a whole week. But y'all, it's not for like a major reason. I've just been so busy, and it's like not neglecting the camera, but I didn't have time, and I also wasn't really doing much besides like work and what I usually do, you know. So but I know that last week we had gotten a new phone and we had went to Debbie's house and we were cooking with the girls and doing all of that. So that was like a whole week after, okay? But my phone is here, y'all. I got a new phone. I'm obsessed. I love the color, like so pretty. I had to get a case too, but I just loved it without the case. But this is a case. It's just like a little pink little case. And yeah, I already updated everything on the phone, all my information. Like it was easy to transfer. It didn't take as long as I took it was gonna take, and it was just like it was like airdropped. Like it literally airdropped all my information. Y'all know how it goes, so right. But y'all, today is the Saturday after, like I said, and for today I don't really have nothing planned, but I do know I want to get back into reading, because I feel like with the season, like September is just like a week to read. Like I don't know what about September and October is like the time where, you know, sometimes you could come home in the evening and like do all you have to do and then just sit down, relax, read your book, or even like sometimes watch a show. So I don't always want to be on TV or whatsoever, although I don't, like I really barely be on TV honestly, but you get what I'm saying. I just want to slowly get back into reading. A few years ago I used to read a lot, and I also be downloading books on my phone and just reading like small books, but I really want to, that was my new phone. But as I was saying, like I want to slowly get back into reading and just whatsoever. Like I want to get a book. Let me bring y'all close. I feel like y'all are just too right. And sometimes what I used to do is I used to just go to the library. No, I used to be buying books. And it's like I would pay like $25 for a book, finish it in 2 weeks, then what? And then one of my friends had told me, like, when you buy a book, keep the receipt, then just bring it back and change and whatsoever. But I was doing that too for a while, but I feel like that was too, like, that's just too, like, I don't know how to say, but that's just too, like, I'm too grown for that now, okay? So what I decided to do is I want to just go to the library. I had renewed my library card during the week because I had to go to the library to print something, whatever, because I don't have a printer. My printer's broken, so I went to the library to print something. I had to make a new card. And as I was in the library, I'm like, oh my goodness, I could, like, literally be here more often. So what I'm trying to do is just, like, we're gonna start borrowing books, finish the book, bring it back, take a new book. And it's free, like, literally free. So why not? And I feel like that's like a good productive thing to do too. Like if you don't read, like you should get into reading, even if it's like small books. I love reading. It's good for your mind. And yeah, I'm not too sure what kind of book I want to get, but we're gonna figure it out as we're going. But one thing I know for sure is like I love, like, you know, those little like love drama books and all, like where it's like the boyfriend that's so delusional and then he comes to the window looking for the girl at her house, knocking on her window and all. Like that's my style of books, okay? Anyways, like I'm probably delusional, you know. So let's get going. Like I'm already ready. I'm just gonna take my things, we're gonna go to the library, and yeah, let's go.
What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Just wanna be the one to give you what you want. I could put you in it, you shouldn't run. Fighting around town with your head down now. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you playing what you're doing, it's wrong. I can tell your friends you think you're mugged up.
It was either this. This is too long, it's okay. 450 pages. This one has 350 pages. Actually, I'm gonna take this one. You can catch me. Yeah, so I left the library, I got a book, and I didn't really film too much in the library. I feel like I filmed enough, but not too much, because a lot of people were there with their kids, and the library is like a safe space for people, and I don't want to invade too much of their personal space. So since there is a lot of people, I didn't want to film too much, you know, like, not that I didn't want to film too much, but I didn't want to film too many like in the big areas where there was a lot of people, because like I said, it was crowded, you know. So but this is the book that I got. It's called You Can't Catch Me by Catherine McKenzie. And I don't know, one thing about me is like when I'm in the library before or whatever, like before buying a book or even reading a book, I just always like, I was taught to always like open in the middle and just read, like, and if it's your style of book, then you're going to like the book. So that's what I did. And yeah, also like the little summary in the back was also like kind of interesting. I'm probably gonna like, should I read it? Oh, the baby is so cute, y'all. Yeah, I got baby fever so bad. I love like little love books, I love drama, I love thriller, and I feel like this is more like of a mysterious thriller in a way, and it's kind of like with action, because they say you don't know how far people would go for revenge. So this is my I definitely took this, and it's gotten let's see how many pages, 370 pages, but the writings aren't like that small, you know what I mean? Some books are like so tiny, like the other books I was watching, like I was gonna take before, it was too many pages, and I'm like, you know what, and this sounded more like interesting, especially to get back into reading. So yeah, I don't know, I feel like I've been talking fast all day today, I don't know why, but yeah. So now that I've left the library, I got my book. I got 3 weeks to read this book and return it, and most likely I'm probably gonna exchange it for a next book when I come in 3 weeks, or you know, I might even come sooner. It depends of like my schedule and whatsoever. So but y'all, I've actually been craving something sweet for like a good while now. So there's this donut place not too far from here, and since I came to the library, I'm like, why not just go there, because it's right next to each other, instead of going back home and coming back. Like, anyways, yeah, so we're gonna get some donuts. I hope like they have some good ones today. Like sometimes, I guess sometimes they don't always, I don't know, because I haven't gone here in like a good while. So we're just gonna get like probably like a box of 4, maybe a box of 6, we'll see. And yeah, it's such a beautiful day today. Like I might even like go to the park after and just sit down, have a donut, read the book, but we'll see, because I also have to clean my room. I also have like a few little things to do, but let's go get the donuts. He make him give it up. I ain't got no time for niggas. I make him hold up. I apologize for you looking like a fool. I don't want my ex, I don't want no bitch I had. Every time I catch my feelings, lock them in a bottle. Bitch, I ain't friendly. I don't fuck with y'all, bitch. Hold so funny, got me looking at him sideways. It would never be this. Look me in my eyes, can't name a bitch better. What? Even with who, bitch? Not you. In the face, but my attitude stank. Either way, this nigga still going to the bank. Not a Haitian nigga that will take off your face. This pussy that good, I swear. Yeah, I'm just joking. Let's go inside, okay? Y'all, so they got a lot of options, and I'm not too sure which one I want to take, because they're like so many. I might take one of this, and I always usually take this, so maybe I'm gonna take a break from this today. They got the pistachio ones. I'm for sure taking one of these, the crock chocolate one. Yes. Thank you. Y'all, so I'm back in the car again, and I got the box with my donuts. So ooh. Anyways, the shop smelled so good, y'all. When I got in there, like, oh my goodness, look at this. Like, come on. Ow, I just stopped myself. Look at this. So I got the Homer's one, I got the Biscoffee, I got the crock chocolate, and I got the apple one. Usually I only buy these donuts when it's like somebody's birthday at work and we're like, everybody's bringing something, and then like I would bring donuts. But like nobody's birthday at work is approaching, and baby, like, well, actually talking about birthdays, my birthday is actually approaching. I'm closing the box sale because I haven't washed my hands, and I was touching all the books in the library, and also I don't want to, like, I don't know where these people's hands went, okay? But talking about birthdays, y'all, my birthday is literally in like 3 weeks and a half, like 3 weeks and 4 days, literally. Like, oh my goodness. Truthfully, y'all, I have planned nothing for my birthday, not one thing. I don't know what I'm wearing, I don't know what kind of pictures I'm taking, I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I have no idea. And people keep asking me like, oh, what you doing for your birthday, what you doing for your birthday? And it's like, oh, I don't know. And I also don't want to wait till last minute to start telling people what I'm doing. So it's like, This is literally like, I literally have until Thursday, because Thursday will be 3 weeks before my birthday. So I have literally until Thursday to plan out everything that I'm going to do for my birthday, or else like I'm not doing nothing. Because even like when you order things, you need like at least 2 weeks to get some things. And yeah, like I always like, usually I would wait till like the week before my birthday and just express ship everything. But this year I'm telling myself like I don't want to have that, like, what's the word, like maybe that stress. But I told myself like I'm not doing this year again. Like I'm not stressing on like last minute things for my birthday. So if it's not planned like 3 weeks before, max 2.5 weeks before, I'm not, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And I cannot travel right now because of work. So not really like because of work, but it's like I work like 9 to 5 and I just had my vacation. I just took my vacation, so you know. So yeah, so I don't know if I should do like a little road trip. I honestly don't know. Road trip, I don't know if I just want to do an activity. I don't know if I was thinking of like going to the studio too. Like, do I just want to go to the studio for my birthday and just like, you see how Cardi B just dropped that, like, that big diss track? Like, should I do like a little something? But I don't really have nobody to diss. And yeah, but I know I want to take some nice pictures. That's one thing I really want to do for my birthday this year, is like I want to have like some nice pictures and, you know, just like enjoy life. Like I'm so grateful. Like I'm about to be 24 and it's like these 24 years haven't been like the best years every single year, but I'm alive. Like I'm blessed. Like it's a blessing. Like what, 23? Like I'm 23 right now, and it's just like some days I be feeling like I'm so much older because God has blessed me with such a great mind, we could say. And like, yeah, I'm so grateful for life. Like and it's only up. Like I'm just going to go up and up and up, and yeah, like but y'all, so like I said, I'm just about to go upstairs now because I just parked the car, and I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna taste this donut because I want a donut. Like I've been craving it, and yeah, like we're gonna get into this now. Okay. Okay, so we're inside. I washed my hands and I'm about to try. I don't know why I'm so excited. Like I'm acting like I never tried these or whatever. I tried it already, but it's been so long. It's been months, you know. And y'all ignore, like, you see my vision board? I broke the frame, so I just hung it up like without the frame. So I'll just get a new frame like next time I go to IKEA or something. So I don't know which one I want to try. Which one I should try. Which one looks the best to y'all? I think I'm gonna try the chocolate one. I've been craving chocolate for a while. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I just got off my monthly. But all right. Oh, it's melted. So let's go. Is this like an ASMR? It's actually so good, yo. This is so bad. This is greedy. I shouldn't be eating this. I said my birthday's in 3 weeks. Like what? I should be on a diet. Honestly, y'all, this is so good. But it's very sweet. Like I'm not gonna eat more than the half. Yeah, this is good. Let me go wash my hands. I'll be back. But yeah, I'm just so happy I finally got like back into like the whole library thing and going back to get some books and slowly just getting into reading. I don't really stop doing it. It's just there's a time I don't do it, there's a time I do it. Like when it's winter now, I'm more into that style, and when it's summer, it's just I'm more into like being outside, exploring more and doing more things, you know. But yes, y'all, I think that's pretty much it for today. Like this vlog is about to end. I know this vlog has really been a little like upside down because it's like it was 2 different weeks, but I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm definitely gonna drop a new vlog very soon because I want to get into the fall era. I also feel like I want to renovate my room, but I don't know how I want to do it because I feel like my room is too pink right now. I want to just slowly go back into like neutral colors because I feel like my pink era is like, not my pink era, but my pink room era is just slowing down a little, you know what I mean? I want to get into more like white, black, like, you know, like neutral colors. So yes, but again, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you like next week, literally. Okay, bye, boo.
Remember you should drive a Yukon.